Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make your videos visible, your old video to be visible and your new video to be visible once a new viewer come to your channel. This is typical example of what I'm talking about. As you can see, if I am a new viewer now, I just clicked on the home of this channel, and when you click on home, you are going to see previous videos. This is the short, this is the past playlist that displayed, then this is playlist that this channel created, and more. These are the popular videos. Now do you see that? Now this stuff is what that will give you more encouragement to subscribe, because you'll be like, wow, this person is consistent. Do you understand? And you will like to subscribe so you can learn if actually what you are looking for, what you are looking on YouTube is what this channel is actually doing. So that's what I'll be teaching you, how she was able to make all her videos visible at a single glance. So stay with me to the end and subscribe. Very, very important. Method or these settings alone, we actually give them proof that yes, you are consistent on your channel. And secondly, it will give them proof that once they subscribe to your channel, yes, they'll be getting videos back to back on your channel. Do you understand? Don't forget, these settings can only be done on channels that has uploaded at least 10 videos on their channel. Do you understand? So if you've not done this stuff, it's very, very important you go to your YouTube dashboard and turn on these settings so you can get your views, get your subscribers, and see your watch hour growing super fast as a beginner on YouTube. Do you understand? So if today is your first time coming across this channel and you love tutorials videos like this, especially how to make money or how to grow your YouTube channel, it is super important you do what to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification sign so you always do get notified whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video like this one you're about to watch. And don't forget to share this video and let me know in the comment section if this video is actually helpful. So now let us dive into the full tutorial video, guys. I'm going to do is this. Now I'm going to demonstrate and explain using my own channel as an example. So first thing first is to go to your Chrome browser. If you are using Chrome, you go to your Chrome browser, but me, I'll be using my internet here. You see that? Good. So once I tap on this my internet, it's going to display like this. So if you open your Chrome browser, this is how it will look like. Then come to this place and search for what? YouTube dashboard. You see that? So once you search for YouTube dashboard, you click on this first link you are seeing here. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to YouTube dashboard interface. Do you understand? Now this is how it will look like if you should open your YouTube dashboard. So once you've opened your YouTube dashboard, very important, so the part we'll be working about now is all these tools that is by the side here. Do you see where I'm circling for you? Good. Let me take it easy so you understand. So first thing first is just to zoom in your video. So once you zoom in your channel, this is how your channel will look like. Then what you need to do is to tap on this place that says, I think, customize. You see that? So you have to tap on this magic pencil here. So once you tap on the magic pencil, this is how this stuff will look like. So this is your customize. Do you understand? And this is where we'll be working. Do you understand? So once this stuff has opened, quickly switch to this place that says what? Home tab. So once you tap on this home tab, it's going to display all this stuff for you. Now this is how all these videos as displayed here. This is to tell you that once you come to my channel for the first time, once you tap on my channel for the first time, this is how my videos, all these videos as it's showing here, this is how it will display for them to see. Now don't forget that what that keeps viewers wait, or what that pushes people to subscribe to your channel is, one, if they notice that you are consistent with your upload on your channel, they will subscribe. And secondly, if the videos they see is exactly what they want, they want or they have been looking for, they will definitely subscribe and stick around your channel, because they know, or with what they say, they knows very well that you will be dropping videos or tutorials back to back on your channel. Do you understand? Now if you want to do any of these things, this is what you need to do. Once you tap on this your home page here, which is what you are seeing on my screen, then first thing you need to do is to come here. Then you will see this option that says what? Add section. Do you understand? Now if I want to add any other section, I have to click on this place. Now as you can see, I think I have nothing again to add up. Now as you can see, coming to this place, I have added videos, I've added public videos, I have added short videos, I have added a past live stream. Then you can still upload your single playlist. If you have any playlist, you can upload your single playlist, upload your multiple playlists, then upload members video alone. Adding being I have members video alone, I will just click on this part that says members only videos. Do you understand? But if you do not have anything, just this place that they say you should add, once you tap on any of them, automatically it's going to come to this place. But as you can see, I have nothing, so that's why nothing is showing here. So all you need to do is just to come to this place and click on selection, then you select any parts you want to add. Do you understand? That is that. Then once you are done doing it, all you need to do is just to come here and click on subscribe. Do you understand? So once you click on subscribe, these settings automatically has been taken part. Do you get? Very, very important. Then this, I'm going to remove it because on a norms I don't need it. Do you understand? So I'm going to remove it. Good. So that is that about that. Now do not forget that what I said is this. Now a quick one. Reason I added those selections to my YouTube video is to make my other videos public, to make it known, in fact, what I call it is just to advertise my old videos. Do you understand? To tell people that, okay, let's assume that you are doing different niches on one channel. Do you understand? Maybe you are doing how to make money, YouTube tutorial, folktale tutorial, and all that. That particular place now will help you, arrange your videos accordingly and push it out to people to see. Do you understand? So me, I see it as you advertising your video again by making it public for more people to come, because people might not like your African folktale video, but they love your YouTube tips. And if the video is not public enough, they will not know that you have videos like that. So with these settings now, you should be able to push your video out there, and you should be able to attract more viewers to come watch your video. That is that. And don't forget that if you find value from this video, do well to subscribe and turn on notification sign so you get notified when I drop the next video coming up. I love you guys, and bye for now, guys.